4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So this is without steps for you. Makes sense. And you don't have to do the steps anymore.
Right.
But you have to delay her here a little bit. 2, 3, and you go around, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and you start playing here. I like this version because then you don't have to do steps. You can only just do body action. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha 1. Yeah. And then go for her again for a little bit style because you stay too long, no touching, not together, it's too long. So this will be a good moment here to start a proximity change. So you go, so this will be 2, 3, run, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and then with the audience, 4 and 1. Ooh, wow. Yeah, okay, maybe a little bit change. Otherwise it's like, you stay like this all the time. Yeah, a little bit together. I mean, you always come together with her, like always come here. So beginning of your routine should be woo here, and then you do this, and then you woo, and then you go there. Otherwise, like, you see we're here, and then we're here. Also, just there's not too much man and woman. No, just like a little tip. Because I don't see you kind of do it.